Tom's Hardware Chatbot, also known as HammerBot, is a tool that can help you find the best PC parts for your needs. It is powered by artificial intelligence and trained on the expert content from Tom's Hardware, one of the most trusted sources of PC hardware reviews, guides, news, and tutorials. HammerBot can answer your questions about PC components, such as CPUs, GPUs, motherboards, RAM, SSDs, cases, coolers, and more. It can also give you recommendations based on your budget, preferences, and use cases. For example, you can ask HammerBot what is the best CPU for gaming under $300, or what is the best motherboard for Ryzen 9 5900X. HammerBot will respond with a brief answer and a list of links to relevant articles from Tom's Hardware that provide more details and information. HammerBot can also help you with PC building tips, troubleshooting advice, overclocking guides, and benchmark results. You can ask HammerBot how to install a CPU cooler, how to fix a blue screen of death, how to overclock your GPU, or how to compare the performance of different PC parts. HammerBot will provide you with helpful answers and links to Tom's Hardware articles that explain the steps and methods. HammerBot is not just a search engine that returns web pages. It is a chatbot that understands natural language and can have a conversation with you. You can ask HammerBot follow-up questions or clarify your queries using plain English. HammerBot will try to understand your intent and context and give you the best possible answer. HammerBot is still in beta and learning from your feedback. It may not always give you the perfect answer or the most up-to-date information. However, it is constantly improving and evolving to become a more useful and reliable tool for PC enthusiasts. HammerBot aims to combine the power of AI with the expertise of Tom's Hardware to help you find the best PC parts for your needs. If you're looking for the best PC parts for your next build or upgrade, you might be overwhelmed by the number of options and specifications available. How do you know which CPU, GPU, motherboard, RAM, SSD, or PSU to choose? How do you compare different PC parts and get expert advice from Tom's Hardware Chatbot? Tom's Hardware Chatbot, or HammerBot for short, is a smart and friendly tool that can help you find the answers you need. HammerBot is powered by AI and trained on the expert reviews, buying guides, tutorials, and news from Tom's Hardware, one of the most trusted sources of tech information on the web. HammerBot can answer your questions both with text and with links to relevant articles on Tom's Hardware, so you can get all the details and make an informed decision.